In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your coolant overflow tank, which is on the driver's side between the battery and the radiator, right behind the headlight. Let's get started. Pop this cap off and pull it up and out of the overflow tank. Now grab the tank and pull up. Sometimes it's a little tricky. It's clipped in with a couple of clips that I'll show you in a second, and it gets pretty stuck on here over time. There we go. Slide it up. These right here are the two clips that lock it in, and there's your overflow tank. At this point, you would take your new one, line it up, slide it down. It should fall into place. Make sure you press it to lock it in, and at this point, if you had coolant in your old one, which you should, transfer it over to the new one or add fresh coolant. Now just slide the hose with the cap over, press it on, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.